Hello dear friends, welcome to another GIS and the most Sing YouTube channel video. Today we will discuss about NDSI calculation. It means Normalized Difference Snow Index calculation. And also we can say extract glacier in ArcMap or determining the glacier area in ArcMap. This tutorial will cover formula of NDSI and also map algebra. Before starting the tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe your channel. Now come to an in this image. As you see, this is a normalized difference snow index. As you know, for determining the snow index or any index, we need satellite image. Satellite image cover the some area by the wavelength, and also for combine if you combine green and short wavelength infrared, you will achieve the snow index. In here we have as you see in the formula, it is a constant formula for normalized difference snow index. If you combine green minus short wavelength infrared divided to green plus short wavelength infrared, you will achieve the snow index. Cause of in green snow in green have a more reflection, high reflection, but more absorption in short wavelength infrared. This is the reason of why we use green minus short wavelength or divide to green plus short wavelength infrared. This is the reason. Cause of green in snow index has a more reflection, and also short wavelength has a absorption in snow index. These are the reason. Okay. Now come to ArcMap environment. Now we add data. In here we need band in Landsat 8. We have a band 2, band 3, because of we have a RGB red, green, blue. This one is a blue, this one is a green. Add this ones, and also band 6. Band 6 and band 7 are band 6 is a short wavelength infrared 1, and band 7 is short wavelength infrared 2. In here we use band 6. These are two bands. If we combine this to this Landsat image, or we can say to these bands, we achieve the snow index. How? Come to Arc toolbox. We have in spatial analysis tools. Come to map algebra. And you have a raster calculation, and also as you see in the follow my cursor in here, you can see the value of these images in flat, because of we use in here flat. Okay, in here we have a condition things. Just click here before just double click on float, because we use because of these are the flat numbers. In here we know about this is a band 6. In the formula we have band green minus short wavelength infrared. It means band 3 minus band 6, but it will be different in any satellite image. Band 3, and you can see B3, B6. It will be more different, but this is the formula is a constant, as you see here. Green minus short wavelength infrared. Don't forget this ones. Come to here, we have a flat. Double click in here, minus band 6. After divide into double click on the float, band 3, sorry, this is band 6. Don't forget to double click on band 3 plus band 6. Yes, in here we should determine the output by the name of NDSI Normalized Difference Snow Index. Just come to OK. The digit will be for NDSI must be -1 up to 1. Just close, as you see here, this NDSI, the low value is -1, the high value is 1. Okay, now come to here. Double click on India, so come to the properties of this NDSI raster image. We have a symbology, we use classified, just okay, just yes. For classified in here we should use 5 class. We use classify. This is we can use manual. That's the range minus 0.1 up to minus 0.5, 0 minus 0.16, 0.45. It means this raster image included or will be included from the low value should be minus 0.1 up to 1. How we know? You can see if we zoom any place, we have in here identify any pixel, you can see the range. Here is the index, it is a minus, okay? Here is the glacier part, also you can see the 0.5. It will be not glacier, maybe rock, maybe any things. This is a minus 0 point. It is the index I. Double click on this one, so again come to classified. Classify, find class. This will be good. It's okay. In here we should use by the name of no data. Also no data. And this one should be rock. This will be should be uh, uh, snow, or we can say uh, because no. Yeah, in here we can say snow plus glacier and up to, and this means from 0.45 up to 1 is should be glacier. Okay, just come to now the in here loss flip to color, double click on here, should be no color. The rock type should be this ones, the snow part and glacier part should be this one, and the glacier part should be this ones and this ones. Sorry, yeah. You can use hellshade effect. This should be 10. Forgot locking, and also just apply. Okay. Now you can see. Go back. Just zoom in here. You can see this part is the glaciers and but this part is should be rock. Maybe it's some missing, but you can for if you adjust the number, you will never see this rock point in here. This one should be must from the debris or from the glacier, but for it needs more trying to adjust the number, more the class for adjusting the number. If you use more class, it will be more uh, adjusting that. Okay. Yeah, now if we want to, if we use more about it means 10 class, the divide that would be that the should be it will data should be changed by the name of it. We should know data is also no data. Maybe rock, but just we use no data. Just my aim, my goal is to identify the snow and glacier part. If you focus on another things in vegetation, rock, don't to use no data for the minus. Okay, just we know that the snow index or the glacier index about the number should be must be about above 0.2, 0.1. Okay, here for minus also we can say no data. It's also no data. In here we can say rock. Now come to in here we can say thin snow. We can say snow, and here we should use glacier. Also glacier, Glacier. Okay. And also we can change the in here we can use double click no color, double click for no color, for no data also no color. For rock should be this ones should be for thin snow we can use this point just like sky, this ones. For snow we can use this ones. For glacier we can use by step we should default just I think this ones no it will just apply. Okay, now you can see it will be you can see it will good looking. Also you can more need adjusting, but in here this is the way, this is from the way you can see you can adjusting the number. Okay, this is the end of this video. For more video, please insert your comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for supporting the team and also for supporting the YouTube channel. Bye bye.